Yo, unruly and that video not something I'm did one. You see me? This a video and something right now me upset. Me I lose my mind. So people, the video me record last night, Zine the Jamaican idiot. This one right here, so. This one right here, so. This a video yeah. When look how me thing well put together and you see me spend time and make my thumbnail and every little thing and look at me shit not have no sound. The video don't have no sound. Yo, last night, listen, let me tell you how the devil is a liar, people. Let me show you something. Last night when me I record my thing, me I hear everybody I hear me. Over and I'm streaming software over there, so everything look good. When me go so boom now this morning and check the blood clot video. No blood clot sound. I'm gonna ask you, this is the best video what me do. Me feel like say, yo, this a video your people are the best blood clot video with me ever. One of the best idiot them me ever do.
Rings nearby and closing in 60. Plenty of time to
Yo, when me say me want cry, me even go make that video long cause ball me want blood clot ball right now, this minute me want ball. You hear me? Them thing I make you want quit YouTube, but guess what? This now make me quit my YouTube now. You don't know a thing of the devil is a blood clot liar, you know. This can't make me quit doing YouTube now. This just show me say yo, me have to keep on going. You see what I did, people? Me I tell you, say, me know now wait for that blood clot one here, you know. Me know now wait for that one here, you know. And I can't believe my blood clot sound now on my bumper ass clot video, people. You understand me? I did, people. Me know never hear me cause so much bad before, but me upset, virgin. Me go show now what me I talk about, cause I don't feel like a joke thing, though, right? See that? You not hear me, right?
See that you don't know, says an idiot.
What?
This, you know.
Yo,
Yeah, this is another
Julian.
idiot. From you see that you don't know,
So,
says an idiot.
Please
This,
remember
you know.
to like, comment,
Yeah,
share,
no.
and subscribe
To the thing, you understand what
Wait,
I deal with and help grow the
where
family.
am I
you know,
hearing
and
this
you don't know
fucking
this
video?
a-
Oh, over there, so. I'm
Yeah,
like, what the hell?
yeah.
to the
I mean,
I deal people, this is another
Look,
people.
idiot.
Look, people, look
You
what
see
I
me?
want.
So,
No sound.
please
Don't
remember
hear
to
me.
like, comment, share, and subscribe to the thing. You understand what I deal with and help grow the family. You know, and you don't know this is our little content, this is our little idiot, and we don't want to see who
Y'all
dead at
only
the
hearing
background
me, right?
So you don't know. Yeah. we're
So
gonna
when
jump over
everybody
there
be
and
chipping
make
out,
sure-
look
you know,
what I got, look what I
introduce
got.
yourself a baiting and get, you see me? Yeah, over there. Yeah, shorty, wanna go unmute your mic, you know. Got ready with a puss. Oh, yeah, you me? Let me see if we can turn up a little bit more. Alright, you
No,
wanna
no
introduce
sound.
yourself to the people, just a brief thing.
No
short,
sound, see?
very short.
No sound. What? Watch it. Watch it. Kuya. Watch it. No sound. Nobody me not get no sound out
Right.
of nobody.
I did.
You only can hear me.
Damn
That
fine.
don't make no sense. Like, what
And
is that?
remember now, people, if you get eliminated, don't feel away.
See, no, this are the round with everybody in it at once. Like, me not get like what YouTube, what do you want me do? What do you want me to do? Why you not sabotage me? Why you not sabotage me, you know? Yo, cut and clear the crosses, them. You see me? Like, why me, bro?
I give
People,
Bye-bye.
no
Later.
sound to my video. Here attack. Everybody attack. No sound on my video, people. No sound on my video. No sound. Now me can't do over that video because it go awkward.
go.
It go awkward. This a
Alright.
video you go awkward,
Icon.
people.
Go ahead. Yeah.
This can't do over. You see me? This cannot be done over at all because it's going to be awkward as shit. The girl now have the same experience. You feel me? Like, what kind of madness that? Like, now una hear the sound from me now, panic now, because and me not do nothing different from what me do last night. Me not do nothing different. Me not change nothing. Me not do nothing. So why no sound no did it? You dig what me I deal with? Like, them a talk a go. You see me? Them a talk a go. Like that too? Like, you can only hear me. Can't hear them. Yo, I'm mad no bumbo clot, you know, brother. You know what I say, people? Yo, if anything, people see something. No want to go up on them social, alright? So I jump on them social real quick, alright? This is for Shorty Instagram, so I want to go follow Shorty on the gram over there. You see me I deal?
Huh?
So Shorty
When I go.
Instagram right there. If you want to follow Shorty on the Instagram, that's her Instagram right there. So you go over there and follow sheep on the gram, you see me? Yeah. Badness. Alright. When you see that, when you catch that, cool. Alright. That's Natch Instagram right there, the garbage collector guy. You see me? If you don't want to go over there and follow the dog on Instagram, see the dog, the Natch233. Yeah. You see me? And I think Dre, this is Dre Instagram right there, so. If you don't want to follow the dog, I have to follow the dog too, because you don't know body's come down. See the dog right there, so. You see me? That's Dre the dog, yeah? Mother Road. Follow him Instagram too. You see me? Look like a dog, the music he look like. You see me? Cool, mad thing. Who else left? I think this is Shorty TikTok. Yeah, if you don't want to go bounce over Shorty TikTok too. See Shorty TikTok here right here, so. You know? Running pan Shorty TikTok. You see me? Shorty are going be things. Let me see if we can.
You ain't gotta walk in with my tool out.
Hey, Shorty, where the rats are going in, Shorty?
It's getting too
Yeah,
loud.
that is Shorty TikTok over there. You understand me? I did people. No,
Don't
yeah.
me feel like try that song you slow.
See if you can dance.
You ready? Alright, come.
And me I tell you, she full of vibes, you know, people. I think she had the best one, you know, yeah? She full of vibes. And me I tell you, say, Uno would have loved that idiot, yeah. Trust me, would have loved that one, because she full of vibes of rip. And she feel like the shit that go, you know, shy, but
Don't me feel like
trust
try that
me,
song you
yo,
slow.
I'm mad as hell. You don't even understand how mad I am, bro. People, sorry for the inconvenience with that one, people. I don't know what go wrong with the sound. Honestly to God, I don't know what the hell go wrong with the sound. You see me, people? Me upset. Me upset. My thumbnail. Tell me, say my people, look for my thumbnail. Look for my thumbnail. Tell me, say that thumbnail in a shot. Tell me, say this a thumbnail in a shot. Hold on. What the hell? Look for the thumbnail over there, so people. You tell me, say this a thumbnail in a shot. You must spend at least an hour. At least 1 hour doing this thumbnail. At least an hour. I can't post that video. I have to go delete that video right now, people. I'm going to make you see when I delete it to right now, because I have to delete that video, people. You see me? See, I have to delete it. I have to delete forever. I have to delete it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh my God, God.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
No.
And you're not really fine, but you just
Yeah.
can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh my God. People. I can't believe it. I
Yeah, say that.
can't bumbo glad believe it. People may have to delete it. Nah. Oh my God, people. People can't. People may go record another idiot, people. Tonight and tomorrow. So now go probably have an idiot Saturday and one Sunday. I just can't. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Outright ridiculous fucking loss. Alright? People big up on yourself. You see me? No one gonna understand what time it is. You understand me? You guys are an understanding family and me respect that. You see me? I say big up on yourself and roll. And me upset, brother.